Okay, then. All right. With the YouTube Studio Beta, it became harder to access the audio library to replace audio in existing uploaded videos that you've already got on YouTube. You used to be able to just click an audio tab in the editor. You can still get to the old studio, though, and I'm going to show you how to do that and how to replace audio from the YouTube library. So in the address bar of your browser, type studio.youtube.com, and that will take you to the new studio. If you're not on a phone, if you are on a phone, check the desktop site tab, and then it opens the desktop page, and it shows you your latest video and the new dashboard. Now, on the left side of the window are a bunch of icons, and you click the play button, it takes you to your list of videos. And there they are. And at that point, you can pick a video to edit. You can just tap the name of the video or click it with the mouse, and it will open up the new editing page, which looks just like the old editing page, except that you can't do stuff that you used to be able to do. However, this is very funny. At the bottom left of the screen, there's a little running man, and I think it means run away from the new editor, or it looks like go back. Okay, tap him, and then they'll want to know why. And this box pops up. Now, I give them the reason why. I need to replace audio. And I type that under a specific feature I need to use is missing. And then click submit, and it takes you to the old editor. Ta-da! So once you're in the old editor, you'll see a bunch of the old tabs across the top of the screen here. Subtitles, cards, end screen, enhancements, and the one we want is audio. So if you click on that, it brings up the entire YouTube audio library, and you may pick exactly one of these tracks to use in your video. They'll let you replace it with only one track. You can't stack them or put them end to end or anything fancy at all. It's a very simple editor, and I suggest what I do is I try to find a song that is at least as long as my video. In this case, I know the title is called "Light Awash" by Kevin MacLeod. So if I type that into the search box and hit return on my keyboard, it takes me just to that song. It takes me straight there. And then if you click the add to video button, it will audition the song in place on your video. Now, you can test, if you like, mixing the original video soundtrack that you uploaded. You see, it was very noisy, and it recorded the defroster on my car way too well on the road noise. And then, so I wanted to replace that completely. So if you move the slider here all the way to the right, you'll hear just the music. Okay, and if you put it somewhere in the middle, the slider somewhere in the middle, you can hear a balance of your old soundtrack and your new soundtrack of choice. And of course, if the audio is longer than your video, stop it. There's no way to edit it. It just you can't put a crossfade in that I know of, and it just harshly cuts off the music, which is what my video does now. And if you're okay with that, and you're okay with the way the audio sounds in your video, you can resize it also. Once you're ready to save your changes, you click the button that's called Save Changes, and it gives you a chance to either save or cancel. So once you hit the save button, we can do that. The video will save, and it will take a couple of minutes, and it takes you back to your list of videos. And my friends, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, and more importantly, if you enjoyed drone videos and cloud time lapses, then this is the channel for you. Please remember to like the video. It doesn't cost anything. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please subscribe and click the little bell to be notified about anything that I post to my channel. I am Glenesis. I post what I want. This is a family-friendly channel, and I love my old supporters, and welcome to my new supporters. And I'll see you around the tube. Have a beautiful day.